introduce tonight would be on merit. May the best win. Thank you.
Mrs. Bimbo, Eiders, Mr. Woli Arole, those are judges for tonight in Morally and Categorical 2022.
The person of Dele Faboyo, the anchor for the longest TV show, Rebi Dele Faboyo. As you have been at the Rebi, Lori Africa Magic Show. Also, we have our own delectable, beautiful, the gorgeous, the fantastic, award-winning Nkechi blessings. Nkechi, let them see you, please. Find your no people, fully mosquito bites. Also, I have my own father, the thespian, the award-winning. I'm sure you know him very well in the series, Super Story. The person of Mr. Tunde Adeyemo, as you have been money as also really. Also, I have my mama. The authentic, the composed, the confident, the considerate, the credible mama, the person of people, has been a shocking, measurable before the These are our judges for tonight. And without wasting time, I want to invite for the morning playlist, the Fikayo Private School in Ife. Please can you step up for your performance? Alright, without further ado, I want to bring on stage this young guy. He's a big man now, actually. He's an alumnus of the Woli University all over the world. Great sister! And people like different. Ever different. The sound of the Niger River, the north of the Limpopo, the pride of the West, the pride of the Barista, the that was this guy, this young guy, a struggled far and near. He's a talented comedian. He's an award-winning comedian. He's an actor. A skit maker. An MC. A comedian. And he's no other person but Woli Arole!
Thank you to all the royal fathers and to, I call him my king, the one and only imperial majesty. Can we all say KBC together? And also to every royal fathers here and every spiritual being that are here, both seen and unseen. I know why the microphone is going off. I know. It's not the battery. It's not the battery. And you're like, I don't do. I should give me half the mic in there. What they were full of money, that's now. This is it. People don't know this is a spiritual environment. So I wonderful. God bless you, man. God bless you. Of the greatest people. I say that I know there is no universe as great as great people. Someone know. And the great people. And if you know school, what you do that? And the great people. Of the great. You don't think anyone else say, my assignment here is not much. As I was there, I always permit me to say this. I appreciate Kabesi. It's my king, my father. Kabesi, thank you. And our wonderful First Lady, God bless Kabesi, thank you. Kabesi, thank you. Kabesi, she will wear. David. Donda. I know how like this. Can you see? Oh God. You promised me a car. Can you see? 2 years now, I'm not paying. I said, oh. I saw a vision. That's all. Oga, I'm with class. I'm talking to you. I'm to you spiritually. You want to we should play now. And we should program it. Stop up, Nkechi. Did that? We shall play spiritually. You don't worry. I'm not from missing. What do I pray? You will be better. What we want, I'm going to do. I share you. I saw a vision. Only because you want to comment online. Only that's my only here. Once I say this, I talk mine. You won't comment. You don't know our campus is a national treasure. It's a national treasure. A mouthful of wisdom, knowledge and high level understanding. A chocolate king. Yes, that's our competition. Chocolate is our campus. A man loves the youth that wants people to become great. You want to know that. Ìwọ yìí máa ń fẹ́ bàtà mọ́ ẹ. Kò ní ẹ kábíyèsí o, àkáwé tó bí olórí ó ṣí èmi. Ó kọ̀ mẹ́tì ẹ̀ ní Instagram ó ní yẹ. Wọ́n bá sọ̀rọ̀. Ìwọ yìí kò pọ̀ sí. Wọ́n àmì first official comment. Kò pọ̀ síbù ìwọ. So let's not imagine. That's the imagination pé o, Nkechi o, is not very sorry. Ìwọ smart if I share it for social media. Ṣé ní wìlì kì í? Yóò ṣe pé náà nìyẹn o. Bàbá sọ kábíyèsí ti wá mú. Àwọn kábíyèsí ti ló fún latest story. Kábíyèsí let what is trend. Bàbá jẹ́ kábíyèsí ti wọ́n lọ́wọ́ ayé mi ìlú àìsàn. Bàbá yára ń TikTok ó ní bí ọ̀la. God bless you, my love, my love. Kábíyèsí lè sọ, ó possible. Because you made a man, hold it. I don't care what that is saying. You don't know that get over people. Nkechi, Cherry Nkechi is 2 minutes from this number. Only this number. Nkechi, he will pay you. I'm still very much around. I'm one of them tonight, and I'm sure we're going to have the best of all. You know, I know you from the depth of my heart. And once again, thank you for all you do for the young, for the old, the way you carry us along, the Royal Heart Award, the Royal Academy Award, all you do, you are beyond the king, you're a leader, and you taught the whole lot of us how to do things the best way you can. Thank you, thank you very much.
Ife Oueen. God bless you, Arole. Arole, everything just told you that with God, everything is possible. God bless you, God bless you. Àpò gbogbo wa wọ́n adé àtọkùnrin àtobìnrin sórí ọmọ wa ìtọ́ṣe wa pariwo. Nípa wọn, àwọn ẹ̀jẹ̀ yọ ìyàgbọ́, ó yẹ sọ pé wẹ̀rẹ̀ bá kú kòkòrò wẹ̀rẹ̀ bá kú sísí sẹ́sẹ̀ kú lọ́sẹ̀. Woli, you tell me you can't hear. All right. Thank you. Come on. All right. While we're waiting for the light, I want to see how much you love me. If I was a car, can you mọ́tò ní mí? Ẹjọ́ mọ́tò wo ni màá jẹ́? Wait. If I was an animal, Nigerian artists. Which of the artists will I be? If I was a church, a Nigerian church. In my life. If I was a phone. Which phone? If I was an actor, a Nollywood actor. What is Sonyen? What about a footballer? If I was a footballer.